everyone, welcome back to Digestive Reset channel. Today I'm diving into a game-changing rule for probiotics that can seriously up your gut health game. I'm Dr. Ina, Digestive Reset functional medicine practitioner, doctor of pharmacy, and best-selling author of two books, Digestive Reset and Crohn's and Colitis Fix. To keep those good bacteria thriving in your digestive tract, it's crucial to consume probiotics regularly. Experts suggest aiming for 1 to 25 billion colony forming units or CFUs every day. Most store bought probiotics, yogurts contain about 1 billion if you're lucky of CFUs per serving. But for best results, try non-dairy options. Your coconut kefirs, there are great brands out there you could go for and great flavors as well. And remember, when you're choosing fermented foods, check those labels carefully. Look for active, live bacteria and go for products that are raw, unpasteurized, and perishable if possible. Organic brands are great choices because they're typically don't have those heat treated processed after fermentation, which means more of those beneficial bacteria that are preserved. So, what are some of the best probiotics and prebiotic foods you can add to your diet? Check it out. Probiotic foods include fermented meats, believe it or not, kimchi, kombucha, miso, natto, pickled vegetables, just to name a few. And don't forget those prebiotics, otherwise it's not going to work. They're essential for you. You'll want to include foods like asparagus, chicory, garlic, leeks, and whole grain, gluten-free grains. Here's a great prebiotic recipe for your gut that's really easy to make, takes literally a few minutes, and it's so delicious that you could replace the entire meal this way. A miso soup that you could make at home. Take a good miso paste. I love South River miso. You could use another brand. That's just something I prefer. You heat it up, you make it into a bowl of soup, you add some nori in there, you add some shirataki noodles that's made from konjac flour. You could top it with some quail eggs for the added protein. You have an entire meal that's nice and warm, and it will cover your probiotic there. Incorporate those powerhouse foods into your diet and you'll be able to support a healthier gut in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. And for the disclaimer, go to digestivereset.com. My brand of probiotics is now available for purchase and I'll drop the link below. Till the next time.